Welcome to our journey of healing and transformation through Unity Field Healing. Today we share testimonials from clients who have experienced profound changes. Imagine a healing modality so powerful it can shift your physical well-being and bring emotional peace. 1. After my second session, I felt a shift in my physical health. The chronic tension in my shoulders released. I feel lighter, more comfortable in my body. Emotionally, I'm finding more peace. Spiritually, I'm tapping into something greater. I am thankful for this journey. 2. This session was profound healing. My lower back pain eased so much. Emotionally, I feel calm, resilient. Psychologically, I'm more focused. My mind is clearer, less foggy. It's like I'm finally coming home to myself. 3. In session 2, something amazing happened. I experienced a deep release of emotional pain I didn't realize I was carrying. It was like a weight lifted from my chest. Since then, I feel lighter. My energy levels are noticeably higher. This experience has been transformative. 4. This session was extraordinary. I came in with migraines, ruling my life, affecting everything. Since the session, they've practically disappeared. Emotionally, I'm more open, less reactive. I'm grateful for the healing and insights from this work. 5. Session 2 was a turning point for me. My anxiety, a constant companion, has lessened significantly. I feel newfound clarity in my thoughts, like the fog has lifted. Physically, I've been sleeping better, something I haven't experienced in years. It's like a whole new world is opening up. 6. This session helped me release so much emotional baggage I didn't realize I was holding on to. My chest feels lighter, like I can breathe deeper. I feel a sense of optimism, a strength that's been missing. Spiritually, I feel like I'm reconnecting with my true essence. Unity Field. Healing has been a true blessing in my life. 7. The healing I experienced was profound. I've had nagging joint pain for years, and now there's so much less discomfort. Emotionally, I'm finding peace in letting go of old patterns. Spiritually, I feel aligned in ways I can't describe. This journey is opening my heart and mind in unexpected ways. 8. This session was grounding. I came in feeling fatigued, completely drained. Now my energy is returning. Emotionally, I feel more stable, centered. Psychologically, I'm gaining new insights. I'm incredibly grateful for the healing unfolding. 9. After session 2, those recurring headaches I used to get, they've subsided. Emotionally, I feel this lightness, this joy I thought I'd lost. Psychologically, I'm more focused, more present. And spiritually, it's like I'm connecting with my purpose. I'm so thankful for this transformative experience. 10 Session 2 brought healing to every aspect of my being. My chronic shoulder pain has eased, and I'm finally sleeping soundly through the night. Emotionally, I feel more balanced, more equipped to handle life. Psychologically, I have newfound clarity. Unity Field. Healing is a gift I didn't realize I needed. Thank you for joining us on this journey of healing and transformation. We hope these testimonials inspire you to explore unity field healing. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. To learn more, please visit us at www.unityfieldhealing.com.